Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's ZIL video update, Zilliqa, for Saturday 2nd of April. Now, I am a little bit of fearful of the patterns of what Zilliqa is doing right now, but one very good thing on the 4 hour time frame is that ZIL just came here to make an inverted hammer, and there's no any. I don't think there's a big threat, but on the 1 hour time frame, I did spot a small mini bear flag that actually played out, and I'm gonna show you that bear flag right here right now. So what you did is, you came to the downside like this, made a bear flag right over there, break out of the bear flag, and this is where you're actually looking to go down. So from there to there, that took you all the way from here to here, right on the money. Okay, 0.17719, and that's where you actually find some support over there. Now I do know that this bull flag that I saw on the 4 hour time frame takes you to the 0.37, which is possible, but there's a little bit of patterns that is playing out that's not giving me that confidence that maybe Zilliqa is in trouble. And right now it's like you're putting in a descending triangle right over here. So if you start to break out of that descending triangle, then I just want to tell you this is going to continue to go to the downside, because this is a bearish pattern, and it's going to take you from the top here to the bottom. And if you start to break down, of course, if you start to move to the upside, it's going to take you back to 0.19. But if you're looking for that one, it's going to take you to the 0.17410, and that's going to be another drop of nearly from there to there 5%. But maybe that could be the end of the uh, you know retracement, because the last time you actually went down here is when you move to the upside. So what I'm going to say is, if you start to lose this level and you go to the downside 0.17260, then in my opinion you're losing a very important key level of support, and you're going to start to roll to the downside. Now, unless you don't do that, it's okay, but I just don't know. I have a bad feeling about it, because on the daily I'm going to tell you a candlestick that's actually quite bearish, and that candlestick is known as a shooting star, which I actually forgot to mention previously. So this candlestick right over here is known as a shooting star, and when it appears on top, it actually means a bearish momentum to go to the downside. This is also another shooting star, and it's actually a bearish candlestick. So who knows, you've also been very overextended from the EMAs. If I actually bring in the 10 as well, um, just gonna remove that one and write in the EMA once again. So if I bring in the 10 EMA, you can see that we are very overextended on the 10 EMA. Now, it will be ideal if you want to actually continue to go to the upside. I'm going to tell you, just like you made a huge pump over here, move sideways, and the EMS was catching up to the upside, and then you had another pump to the upside. Now you're moving sideways. Let this 10 EMA, creep up like this. You move sideways like that, and then you touch the 10 EMA and potentially start the reaction and start the journey to go to that price target of the bull flag. Now, I'm not saying it's bearish at all. Okay, I'm not saying it's bearish, but I'm just saying you gotta be careful. Of course, by the end of the day, it's crypto, and if you start to lose this key level of support, it's gonna be bad. Now you can see already we've even lost the 10 on the 4 hour time frame, which we never did in quite a while. So it's possible to come down to that. If you come down here, you're actually gonna backtest the 20 EMA, and who knows, hold the 20, and that's it, move to the upside. If you start to lose this 20, if you start to lose that support over here, then you're just looking for the 55, which is going to be this price level right here, which is going to be 0.13, and that's the 10 on the daily as well. If you look at the 10 on the daily, that's where the 13 or 14 actually lies over here. And that's it for today's update. Hope you enjoyed this one, and if you want to learn trading as well the way I did, you can take my trading course known as a pirate trader. If you want to pay 29 bucks instead of 49, join the Discord and message me on Discord to know for that offer, and I'm going to tell you how to pay with crypto for 29 bucks only. And that's it. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.